Hello everyone. Let's start mind mapping. The first question of mind mapping is effect of music. Let's see the main points of effect of music and the sub part of them. First part is effect on mind. First one, lead to better learning, improve memory and treat mental illness. That are the sub parts of effect on mind. The second point is effect on the body. What are the effects of music on our body? The first one is manage pain, decrease fatigue, and the third one is boost exercise performance. The third main part of effect of music is music therapy. Due to music therapy, we will get help you eat less, reduce stress and improve performance. Fourth one is effect on mood. Improve our mood by music, help lower anxiety and help symptoms of depression. That are the four main parts of the effect of music, and we have seen the sub parts of them. That is the first mind mapping. You can see on your screen how to create mind mapping on effect of music. The second question is benefit of English language. Let's see the main examples and sub examples of benefits of English language. First one is academic. In academic, we get higher education. So the sub part of academic is higher education. Second one is career prospect. In career prospect, we will get the employment opportunities and helps achieving the goals of career. So these are 2 points of career prospect. Third one is language of internet. There are 2 types of language on internet. First one, digital platform and getting knowledge. The fourth point on benefits of English language is develop skill. Due to English, we makes us smarter, and second one, helpful to understand other languages. Fifth one is access to entertainment. What are the sources of entertainment? That is music, films, books, TV shows, movies. These 5 sub points of access to internet. Entertainment. Sixth one is different field. In different field, we can use English. That is education, medicine, engineering, business. These 4 sub points of different fields. And fifth one is other. In other, abroad, travel, communication. These 3 points we can take as a benefits of English language. So we have taken the second mind mapping on benefits of English language. See the third one, seasons. Seasons in India. We have seen the we have seen the main 4 seasons in India. First one is winter, second one is spring, third one is rainfall, or fourth one is summer. In winter, which activity we have seen? Then snow. In winter we have holidays and cold weather. These 3 sub parts of winter season. Spring. In spring, we can see the flowers, the blossoming of flowers and rain. Third one is fall. In fall, our school starts, mild weather and colorful leaves. And fourth one is summer. In summer, no school is there, so no school is the point, swimming and sun. That is the third mind mapping we have seen, that is seasons of India. Fourth one is beauty of colors. Let's see the beauty of colors, mind mapping on this point. How many colors we have seen around us? 7. Correct. First one is red, yellow, blue, green, orange, white and black. Red color, that indicates us love, anger and health. So for the red color, 3 sub points are there: love, anger and health. Second one is yellow. Yellow shows us happiness, warmth and innovation. Blue. Blue color we use for trust, professionalism and loyalty. Fourth one is green. Green is for natural, healthy and renewal. Orange. Orange is a vibrant, happy and for energetic. Next one is white. In white color shows us peaceful. It is for pure soul, so pure and clean. And last one is black. Black shows us authority, power and boldness. So we have seen the fourth mind mapping on beauty of colors, and let's see the last one, that is forms of communication. We can see the different forms of communication, and that are four types of communication. First one is verbal, second one is non-verbal, third one is written and fourth one is visual. Verbal means we can speak or express our feelings by speaking, and non-verbal means we express our feeling but don't use words. See, verbal means speaking with others. We can speak face to face or on telephone. On telephone we can see the two main types, formal or informal. Formal means scheduled meeting. We can speak with our business partners or our official works, and informal, that means chatting with our friends. Now see non-verbal. Non-verbal, we have the sign language, gestures, postures, touch, facial expressions. These are the examples of non-verbal communication. Third one is written. We also communicate with others by written format like email, memo, report, Facebook post, tweet, blog, contract. These are the written communication. And the last one is visual. In visual we can see the videos also. And the three types of visual communication we can see here. First one is television, Facebook and Instagram. So we have seen the 5 main mind mapping examples for 12th Maharashtra State Board. In next video we will come with next topic and next examples. Thank you very much.